Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing my Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360. My name is Xaviera, also known as Zay. I enjoy tech, shopping, and playing games. I'm not sponsored, I'm not partnered, and nobody sent me this for free. I'm just gonna call this the AIO or the Arctic from now on because that is a really long name. So first, this version came out March of 2025. It's one of Arctic's newer revisions. This thing has a 38mm thick radiator, which is beefy compared to most 360mm AIOs. So most AIOs, they have a 27mm radiator. This one's got more surface area, so more heat dispersion. Second, I needed something that stays cool under heavy loads. My last AIO, which I'm not even going to name, it didn't cut it long term. It was literally only a couple cents cheaper than this one, and yet it couldn't keep the temps cooler than this. I had to RMA a bunch of parts, but I'm replacing it just to rule out heat as a factor. This AIO is going into my replacement server build, and essentially I'm making a NAS just to store my home lab ideas and all the YouTube videos that I've been making. Alright, so let's take a look inside. But essentially everything that I needed was in the box. I bought this from Amazon for $89.99 USD for tax, and I think it's one of my favorite AIOs that I've gotten. The box was damaged, but I just assume that's from shipping. If you appreciate honest tech content, drop a like, leave a comment, and help the algorithm push this out. This AIO is going to be responsible for keeping that CPU temperature stable 24/7, and reliability is just a huge factor for me. I haven't had any type of temperature alerts, so everything is stable so far for the past 2 months. Alright, so here's a quick look at my server. I have the latest update. I just updated about 10 days ago, and the motherboard's at 16.8 degrees Celsius. Temperature, it has been going anywhere between 29 to about 47 degrees Celsius, just depending on the workload at the time. I'm running 14 Docker containers, 5 stopped. I have a VM, but I usually just turn it off until I really need it. And of course I have my hard drives. You may have already seen my unboxing videos for those, but those are running at 26 degrees Celsius, and we have a NVMe running at 36. So I think we're doing pretty good. Hey, thanks for watching. You might be interested in this video over here. And if you're not, maybe this one, maybe. Yeah, thanks.